Here's Richard with all his balloons.
All his balloons. He's gonna float away.
He's gonna float away. There he goes. Hey, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
You looking up at Daddy? He does like the balloons. I think this might be a bit much for him, though.
He's gonna float away.
He's got... Yee, cute little bugger. All the balloons. Need to get a video of him looking at them.
Mm-hmm.
I think he likes just two on his feet the best. There's just too many.
Too many balloons.
Too many. Very precious pants. He's the most precious baby in the world. Uh-oh. You make another stinky. Aren't you glad you changed them already, Mom?
Yeah.
Mommy?
Daddy's turn next.
I can't believe I just called you Ma.
You call me Ma.
There you go.
Look how much fun you're having.
He's got a full pants of poo and he's having balloons. He's happy as a little clam.